Remote Pilot 101, Amanda and Wayne here. One of our most frequently asked questions is how we maintain our fleet of drones. Wayne, can you kind of walk us through the app that we use and how we maintain our fleet?
Well, with having 9 drones and 6 certified pilots, it's a challenge to maintain all the paperwork and all the requirements that you have to do as far as maintenance and so forth. So we relied on the software of AirData, which is a full comprehensive program that looks at all of our drones, all of our flight ops, and can maintain everything for us, and will provide us a document every month showing us each specific data that we need to research. Even when it comes down to the maintenance, anybody can do the maintenance on any one of these aircraft for us. It has a complete listing. It shows you specifically what each manufacturer suggests for maintenance and what the time frames are, flight hours. So anybody such as Amanda can go in there, look it up, actually see what you're supposed to do step by step, and then do a checklist for it, and then sign off on it. That's how we maintain the entire fleet here at Remote Pilot 101.
What are some of the features that you've really found to be helpful with the fleet in the maintenance app?
Well, when you have a fleet of 9 drones like us, keeping track of all those records in case you ever need to produce anything to show that you maintain that's a challenge. AirData, they keep it all very simple for you. One login, you can have one admin person, multiple, as many as you need. Each one of those can see exactly what's going on with the entire fleet, including maintaining currency for all your pilots. Obviously, we don't want someone taking one of our drones out that hasn't flown in 6 or 7 months and go do a flight or a job or a filming job for us internally with M0A or anything without having met some standards or making sure they're current with their flight conditions. Well, one thing that's really cool, I think, is I can set up alerts or parameters. So if the drones are flown outside of a certain parameter, let's say weather conditions or temperatures on batteries or certain speeds, I can set up an alert where it automatically notifies me of that. And that keeps everybody, again, just within a safety boundary within what we want to set as the company. So this is something that we can use with this software. Keeps all of us being safer, better pilots.